You'll need a trim puller tool. The license plate lights are located near the license plate in the rear bumper. The first method is to reach under the bumper. Turn the socket counterclockwise to unlock it. Pull out the incandescent bulb. Replace it with the LED and test it. Install the socket back into the housing and turn it clockwise to lock it. On the driver's side, you can use method 2. Use your trim tool to pry out the top edge of the assembly. Pull the assembly out. We highlight here how the clips hold it in. Turn the bulb socket counterclockwise to remove it. Pull out the incandescent bulb. Replace it with the LED and test it. Line up the tabs on the socket with the slots in the housing. Install it and turn it clockwise to lock it. Line up the assembly and push it back into the bumper. These new LED bulbs are super bright and look great for the license plate lights.